Sirikal ma kaonti ma Kericho olando chako chenro mar puonjo dhok mag pinje maoko e kuonde tiegruok mag tije lwedo kaka okang' mar konyo jopuonjre ma nyalo biro yudo tije e pinje maoko. Kolos e skund primar ma Kalia e kinde goyo kogno Girimiti e kind sikundno kod mbalariany ma Nairobi, Gavana Eric Mutai owacho ni okang' ma kamano en achiel kuom okenge mag iko jopuonjre ne thuolo mag tije e pinje maoko bende. Mutai omedo ni maeri bende otenore gi lek mar kaontino maneno no ojende yudo lony mochuno mabiro chiwo negi thuolo e konyo tego uchumi mar piny mangima.
I believe that by learning Mandarin, it will open the gates to our children here. So that as they learn Mandarin, as they learn China, they are then immersed in the Chinese civilization and culture. And out of this, they will be able then to be accepted globally, not only in China, but also in friends of China across the eastern part of Europe and other parts of the world. So what we are doing today is so significant. It is so significant that in years to come, it will be, it will be ringing in our minds that you open the space for our children to get access to the global world.
What the MOU also comes along with is that in July, Kali Academy will be nominated, will also have an extension of the Chinese classroom here. A Chinese classroom of Tianjin Normal University and the Confucius Institute at the University of Nairobi. So it's a great tidings. Your Excellency, had you heard what Professor Wan was talking about, it also comes with a lot of tidings in terms of scholarships. So your people here in Kericho County will be privileged in due time to get sponsorship to universities in China.